most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Good morning, everybody. We've got Manheim Central. We've got the sun coming up. It's a beautiful start to the day, and it's going to be a warm and breezy day, too, with temperatures climbing probably the highest they've been this year into the mid-80s. A little taste of summer coming our way today. Passing showers then tonight, and again, Saturday, it looks wet. I know. I'm just the messenger. We do need the rain, though, no matter when it comes, and we've got a beautiful view of the city here, the mountains in the distance, and the river up front. It is a gorgeous day here on the Harrisburg Tower Cam this morning. Clouds, high thin clouds sliding east overnight. We are going to have a nice day. There's going to be a few more clouds around than yesterday as a front starts to loom to the west. Temperatures in the 50s for a lot of us, 60s to the west, 44 in Lebanon, the outlier locally, but low to mid 50s for many of us. And that is a jump by about 10 to 15 degrees across the region for most of us here, and almost a 20 degree to 25 degree rise in the western part of the state. So we're going to be in the warm sector today, 85 degrees. We're ahead of the cold front. That's the warmest day always, and we can see that playing out today. Winds gusting to 25 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, passing showers mainly west of the river as temperatures stay mild in the 60s. So here we are. I've circled us here on the map because sometimes it's hard to see. You are here in central Pennsylvania, and here across the central part of the country is this front. So ahead of it, we've got all this warm air, and this front is juiced with some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather a possibility today, not locally, but I think across western parts of the state. So behind the front, it is going to cool off a bit tomorrow and Thursday, but still staying warm. Today, though, look at this. We're in the warm sector. And so everybody's in the 80s, including Harrisburg. We're going to be as warm as Memphis and New Orleans today, Atlanta as well, getting into the 80s. So it's going to be a summer-like afternoon. Low humidity, though. Temperatures will be in the mid-80s. Now, watch what happens tonight. We stay mild, likely staying in the 60s tonight with a few showers on the way. And then tomorrow, I still think it's going to be a milder afternoon, above average, but cooler than today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. So an evening stroll through the neighborhood, maybe just what the doctor ordered tonight, 80s. No jackets necessary. Just a great night to take in the outdoors. Now, it's after dark that I think we start to see some showers develop, and these are mainly going to be west of Harrisburg. As they move east, watch what happens. They die out. The front washes away, and by tomorrow morning, the sun's back. Tomorrow looks good, too. Mainly sunny, quiet. Thursday will be, again, a nice day until perhaps late afternoon, early evening, when we start to see a few showers develop, but they also kind of wash out. And where's all the rain? Well, if we get any Thursday night, it's going to be west of Harrisburg. So that trend continues with severe weather. Now, damaging wind gusts, isolated hail, even a few tornadoes in this part of the state back into Ohio, Erie, Pittsburgh, across northern and western Pennsylvania. For us, I just don't see it happening. The front's going to wash out. Most of us are not included in any severe weather risk. I mean, look at precision cast in the rain. It comes in tonight. We get less than 1/10 of an inch, and it's gone. Same thing on Thursday. Look at where the rainfall is. Now, the areas that need it the least are the northwestern spots. The areas that need it the most are eastern parts of the state. We're not going to see much in the east. So just, again, unfortunately, the drought will continue, and we're getting desperate. We could see a southwest wind today. That's going to help to take us into the 80s. I don't think much of a breeze tomorrow, and then as we look ahead into Thursday, the breeze returns a bit from the southeast, but not a huge deal. The extended outlook quickly showing you rain chances do increase, especially for Saturday. I think an 80% chance of rain now. Saturday looks wet. But that being said, the next 2 weeks, the Climate Prediction Center still says overall it's going to be dry. The key here is not whether it's going to rain on Saturday, but how much. And I just don't think it's going to be enough to make a dent. So 85 today, warm and breezy, mostly sunny tomorrow. Thursday, some evening showers. Friday, a passing showery storm. So there's chances of rain. It's just not everybody's going to see it, and nothing meaningful, no. Yeah. So now again, Saturday morning, we talked about this last Saturday morning. I mean, it was steady rain.
Just not long
2/10 of an inch. I mean, it's not that much. And the same could be this Saturday. So while it might be a rainy day, it's just not meaningful, like you say. So fingers crossed we can get some soon.
Okay. Thank you so much. In the meantime, enjoy summer.
Yes. It's going to be great today.
Let's take a look at the